Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 9 on the topic completing story. I am repeating. Today our topic is completing story. Students, this is our 9th lecture and 8th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 9th lecture and 8th homework. Students, please take your writing elements. We are going to discuss about some stories and you have to pick them in your notebook. So let's start. Our today's topic is completing story. And students, you know the pattern of this question. A beginning of a story or some lines of the story will be given in a question and you have to complete the story. Look, in first question, some sentences are given for you and here you can see some dots. You have to complete the story. So what is our question for first story? Once there lived two cats in a house. One day they stole a piece of bread from their neighboring house, but the problem arose how to divide it because each of the cat wanted the larger part. When they failed, and you can see this question, you have to complete the story. Students, you have to write the given portion. This portion is given in your question paper and you have to write this, and after this you have to complete the story providing some easy sentence and with proper information, and you must have to take care of the tense. While writing any sentence you have to take care of the tense. So first we have written the title. This story is about dividing of the bread between two cats. We have given a suitable title. Then we will write the given portion that is given in your question. Once there lived two cats in a house. One day they stole a piece of bread from their neighboring house. But the problem arose how to divide it because each of the cat wanted the larger part. When they failed, this portion is given in your question and from this you have to write and complete the story. When they failed to reach any conclusion, they went to a monkey who is considered to be the wisest of all the animals. They requested the monkey to divide the bread equally. From the given lines, we come to know that two cats who were lived in a house and one day they stole a piece of bread from their neighboring house. But the problem arose how they will divide it and who will take the larger or bigger portion. And to solve this problem, they went to a monkey who is considered the wisest of the animals, and they requested the monkey to divide the bread equally between them. The monkey brought a pair of scales. He turned out the bread into two pieces and put them on the scales. So to divide the bread equally, the monkey first brought a pair of scales. Then he turned out the bread into two pieces and put them on the scales. He told the cats that one piece was clearly heavier than the other. So he bit off a part of the bigger piece. As a result, the piece became heavier. Then the monkey took a part from the heavier piece and put it on the scales. The monkey continued doing the same thing again and again until there remained only one piece of bread. So you can understand how the monkey was dividing the bread. He was taking a bite from one portion, then another portion. Same thing he is repeating again and again. Now the cats told the monkey to return that piece to them. They said that they themselves would divide the bread equally. But the monkey said that he toiled much to divide the bread equally, so he wanted it as his fig. Saying so, the monkey ate up the peach also. The cat left the place in a heavy, sad mood, but the incident made them wise also. So, at the last portion, we come to know that the cats can understand the monkey's trick. He is eating the bread equally from two parts, and at last, when they say to return their peach to them, the monkey said no to them, because he said that he toiled much to divide the bread and he will took it as his fig. And saying this, he ate up the peach also. So this situation, this incident made them unhappy. But the cats can understand and the incident, and this made them wise also. So like this, students, you have to complete the story. Now we'll practice another one. It's about unity is strength. And the given question is, once upon a time there was an old farmer. He lived with his wife and 3 sons in a small village. The 3 sons always quarreled with each other, and then you have to complete the story. So first we have written the suitable title, unity is strength, and then we will write the given portion of the story from the question. Once upon a time, there was an old farmer who lived with his wife and 3 sons in a small village. The 3 sons always quarreled with each other. One day, the sons went quarreling again, and the farmer heard them. In order to teach them the value of unity, he called his sons beside him and told them to bring him 3 sticks and some rope. The 3 boys went and brought the sticks and rope for their father. The old farmer then tied the sticks together with the rope. Then he asked his sons to break the bundle of sticks. The 3 boys tried, but they couldn't break the bundle of sticks. Then their father untied the sticks and gave 1 stick to each of his sons. He told them to break the sticks. This time they all broke their sticks easily. Then the old farmer told his sons that nobody could do any harm to them if they remained united. So from the story we come to know that there were 3 boys and who were living with their father and mother, always used to quarrel each other. They are siblings, but they always used to quarrel with each other. So this made their father sad. And one day, while quarreling with each other, their father, who was a farmer, heard them. And to teach them a good lesson, he told his sons to bring 3 sticks with some rope. And when they brought the sticks with rope to their father, then the farmer tied the sticks together with the rope, and he asked his sons to break the bundle of sticks. So it was quite impossible for them to break this bundle, but when the farmer untied the sticks and gave 1 stick to each of his sons, they easily broke the sticks. So after giving this lesson, the farmer said to his sons that nobody could do any harm to them if they remained united. This is true. If we are in a group, if we don't quarrel each other, nobody can harm. Nobody can do any negative with us. That's why the title is Unity is Strength. If we remain alone, anybody can harm. So students, I hope you can understand how you have to answer, how you have to complete the story. This is called story writing or completing story. Now students, look, I have given some extra story. First one is where there is a will, there is a way. Second one, a greedy farmer. Third one, the foolish crow and the clever fox. The hare and the tortoise, the brave boy. Students, with these 2, you have to learn this also. If you learn this, it will be helpful for you to to complete the story. I hope you will learn this, you will read and write at home, and your homework will be a greedy farmer. I'm repeating, your homework will be a greedy farmer, and don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 9 and homework number is 8. Students, please do your homework in your SW copy, and don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. Guardians or anyone else can submit your homework copies, and you will get returned your copies on next Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.